Hey viewers, I was on the internet and I saw a video for this amazing tool. It's for reinstalling a drop chain, and the tool's called Rehook. Let me show you how it works. You bring it down here, you hook it onto the chain like this. You bring it up, you set the chain on top of the chain ring and bring it down like this. Just lift the back of the bike, push it forward like this, and the chain is on. Amazing tool. Everybody should have one just like this. The problem is this tool costs about $16 plus shipping. That's kind of expensive. But don't worry guys, I got your back. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade version of this. Okay, so now to make our tool, we're going to need a stick. So we have a stick. Now to make the tool. Now we have a tool. So let me show you how to use our new homemade tool. We're just going to grab the chain down low here like this, bring it up, set it on top of the chain ring like this, bring it down like that, and the chain is installed. Okay, so let's compare these two tools. This is a really cool tool and can reseat the chain in just a few seconds, but costs 16 bucks plus shipping. On the other hand, it does come with a little plastic strap on there that you can fit onto your frame like that. Now this tool, it's free, easy to find, can also reseat the chain in just a few seconds, and one of the other features is disposable and biodegradable, so you can just throw it away. By the way, I am looking at getting patent on this and marketing it under the name RJ the Bike Guy, so look out for that. But what do you guys think? Which would you guys choose? Let me know down in the comments. Hope you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button right down there, and be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.